After 3 nights in Madrid, Jenny and I travelled to the city of Toledo, approximately 1 hour south of Madrid. We arrived at the train station and immediately noticed the glorious citadel dominated by the cathedral and Alcazar. Our room was in the old city, which meant a climb faced us. After a kilometre walk, we faced the city walls, looming high above the tops of buildings looked down upon us. But what is this? An escalator. Not one, but 6 consecutive upward escalators took us to the lower reaches of the citadel. Here we are. So we've just walked in. Bathroom, very nice. Look at the old ceiling. We're in a part of town which was built by the Moors, the Muslims, over 1,000 years ago, and you can see the walls. Look at the walls. Bit of plasterboard there, but yeah, that's old. That's really old. Look, they put a modern kitchen in for us. A beautiful old building. I'll show you more a little bit more when we get outside again. We had a few problems getting in. So a little bit frazzled at the moment, but look at that.
Look at the balustrade. Let's go outside.
Have a quick look outside.
And look down through the balustrade.
Just leave that door open, yeah? Oh, look at it out here.
Hi.
Hola.
Hello.
What?
Steve, right?
Steve, yes. Hey.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I'm
What a beautiful
Hi,
building.
my name's Jen. Hi.
What a beautiful building.
Absolutely gorgeous.
The building we stayed in represented typical Moorish architecture. A central uncovered atrium surrounded with rooms. Within the large entrance door existed a smaller, more practical door. But watch your step.
Which is now the El Greco Museum.
This is now El Greco Museum. Here's another. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but certainly helps our channel. Oh God, something happening here in 1503. Something here. I'll get that translated. Oh, and there's Jenny. That's very steep down. Steep up.
I think we'll go up.
We're going up. Oh, look at that.
Mind the stairs.
So it's known as the city of 3 cultures: Christians, Jews, and Muslims. Only 1,000 years. Toledo has been a traditional sword-making, steel-working centre since about 500 BCE and came to the attention of Rome when used by Hannibal in the Punic Wars. Soon it became a standard source of weaponry for Roman legions. Today there is a significant trade and many shops offer all kinds of swords to their customers, whether historical or modern film swords, as well as medieval armours. If you feel the need, buy a sword or armour and frighten the neighbours. Yeah, and then we have a car trying to negotiate. This is what I saw. I thought it went across. My curious nature had led me to research this city. I now understood Toledo represents perhaps the best example of Roman, Visigoth, Moor, Jewish and Christian architecture. All of this is compacted into an easily walkable city atop a citadel. Built on the highest part of Toledo upon the ruins of a Roman settlement, the Alcazar or fortress was restored in the 16th century and then again after the Spanish Civil War. Very impressive staircase. Halfway up, we do like the doors. That's a set of doors there. Staircase going up the other side. So Jenny, which side we go up? Left or right? Side of the Alcazar. These ruins are the remains of the original Roman settlement and are directly underneath the Alcazar and accessible to the public.
How about that?
Yeah, amazing, isn't it? Ruins, but still. The Cathedral of Toledo was built between 1226 and 1493 and modelled after the Bourges Cathedral, a classic Gothic cathedral. My curious nature had led me to research this city. I now understood Toledo represents perhaps the best example of Roman, Visigoth, Moor, Jewish and Christian architecture. All of this is compacted into an easily walkable city atop a citadel. Visions of a city perched upon a cliff, buildings lit in the night like Disneyland's famous logo, filled my mind. The city didn't disappoint, but even exceeded my expectations.
We've just had 5 cars pass us in this narrow lane. One of them I reckon was doing 60. And you know, you're squashed up against the wall hoping they don't hit you. Must be a major road. Anyway, we're going down and going to do the walk around the outside of the town. It's called Sender Ecological. So, see what we can find. is the Puente de San Martin. Puente, sorry. Puente. There's the river. That's the track we think we're going to try and get down to walk around.
Look at that. Okay, Jenny. I want you to storm the battlements up there.
There's no battlements, there's no ramparts.
Well, there is.
That's
Go on,
just
just
a
storm
wall.
it.
It's a wall.
Yeah. But we haven't had tea yet, sir.
Yeah.
We haven't had coffee.
We haven't had coffee. There's no
Imagine
way I'm
that.
storming ramparts without coffee.
At least we're in the cool
Ask me
here.
after coffee.
After 2 coffees, you should be willing to do it.
The walk around the base of the city was intriguing. Roman water wheels, towering cliffs and a fabulous views are the reward. No more than 2 hours is needed to ramble along the well-maintained path.
It's the Roman bridge being repaired during the medieval times. More of these spillways, obviously they're set up to people to collect water and bring it up to the town. See the old crumbled structures. Yes, there's a fort.
To appreciate Toledo, I recommend 3 days stay here. Day trips are available from Madrid, but to feel the true nature of the city, one must spend time exploring it. The train station itself is an architectural marvel. Spend some time and check it out.
Hi. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss the next instalment.